Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E7 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this Motorola. Start by accessing settings and scrolling all the way down. Now choose System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and your currently used one, in my case Jaybird. Then go into Theme and tap on Show More to see all available themes. When you're done, you can pick a photo, click on it, tap on the switcher next to keyboards to enable or disable them and tap Apply. You can do the same with one of those colors. When you're done, just go back. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!